This is new, and something that's totally different and super fun. We have the usual text to video, image to video, but video to video is new. Now you can generate any video into different styles with DOMOAI using their multiple preset AI models. You can create consistent styles every time from a text, image, or video. If you like this sort of content, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Let's dive in. Open your browser and go to DOMOAI. Click on Start in Discord. Now let me show you how you can use your video to generate it into a different style. Click on one of their Generate Video channels, type in /video, drag and drop your video, and type in a simple prompt to help guide the generation process. You're given 8 different styles and 2 different categories to choose from. In the anime category, you have your flat color anime style Japanese and live and Chinese anime style. In the illustration category, you have your 3D cartoon comic storybook and pixel style. Each one is unique and different to really make your video pop. You can choose to have the AI put more weight on the source video, or you can have the AI put more weight on the prompt. I prefer the Refer to Source Video More option. You can choose your video duration of 3 seconds, 5 seconds, or 10 seconds. A 10-second video duration can take up to 15 minutes to generate. And click Start to make the magic happen. And here is the result. It's wonderful and worth trying. I would love to hear about your experience of creating music videos with AI. I share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creative.